Passenger auto rickshaw service on Imphal-Jiri highway will stop giving services for 3 hours today. According to a source, auto rickshaws providing passenger services from Imphal to Khumbong and Kaithal-Manbi to Imphal will stay off the road from 11 a.m. till 2 p.m. due to a mass rally being scheduled today in Khumbong and its surrounding areas. The torch rally were organized in places like Kundrakwam area, Kaisamthong and other places under the banner Naga Framework Agreement must not affect the interests of Manipur. Several women took part in the torch rally. In support of the Kokomi-led mass agitations in Manipur against the backdrop of Naga peace talks final settlement, Konthaujam Lairembi Laikai Women Association held a sit-in at the Konthaujam Lairembi Community Hall, Imphal West. The protesters chanted slogans in safeguarding the territorial integrity and boundaries of the state. A 3-day-long district-level training on self-defense for girl students got underway in Arunachal Pradesh, Sepa yesterday. The training program under the Integrated Scheme for School Education is being held at the Newcomb ground in Sepa. Assam Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi yesterday inaugurated the National Science Seminar 2019 on the topic Periodic Table of Chemical Elements, Impact on Human Welfare at Regional Science Center in Guwahati. Addressing the seminar where selected students also participated, the governor said that in a developing country like India, science and technology play a vital role in the achievement of its development aspirations. To ensure a plastic-free and zero-waste Hornbill Festival 2019, the Tourism Department requested the tribal ho-hos to extend their cooperation. LH Thangi Menon, convener of Zero Waste Himalayan Nagaland, said that zero waste is all about complete reduction of single-use plastics such as PET bottles, styrofoam, plastic utensils such as plates, spoons, forks, straws, cups, multi-layered plastics for food packaging, plastic bags, PP bags, plastic gift wraps, etc.